So if you think about it, everyone fasts every single day, right? Because it's like, if you think about it, that you're not eating 24/7. So everyone's fasting at some point. It's just the amount of hours that they're actually fasting. So for me, I personally would say 80% of the time I eat in a 6-hour window. I'd say maybe another 10% I eat in an 8-hour window. And then maybe in another 10%, I eat in a 9-hour window. And that's probably pushing it. That's like probably to the extreme, because there's very few days that I'm eating more than 2 meals in a day. So if I'm on vacation, if I'm out of town, I would say, and lately I would say I've been traveling more. So I'd say maybe I'm pushing it to a 9-hour window. But that's not most days. And so most days it's either I'm eating in a 1-hour window or I'm eating in a 5 or 6-hour window. So, but if you think about it, when people say, should I fast every day? You are fasting every day because you've got to sleep. So when you're sleeping, you're fasting. So it just is a matter of how much.
All right, well, Chantel, thank you so much for answering all these questions on intermittent fasting. And if they have more questions or want more information on intermittent fasting, where should they go?
So we have an intermittent fasting group. So check out our Waste Away intermittent fasting group. I think it's called Intermittent Fasting Community Group. You can look for that. So join our Facebook group. You can also go download the podcast. I have 2 podcasts. One's called Waste Away through intermittent fasting, and one is the Fasting Resets podcast. So both of those have great information. And then also go to the fastingresetsummit.com. And that's where we had 46 guests talk about everything you could possibly want to know. And it's all about fasting.